Starting off with close grip bench, just going real light. Regular bencher out here, close grips for the triceps. So, slow pop up. Pop up and lock out. Nice and close. Just want to hit them triceps. Alright guys, we're doing tricep push downs. Instead of using the bar, we're using the handles, okay? Because you have to concentrate and keep it together, so it's forcing you to keep them triceps nice and tight. Bar, you can just push heavy weight and not concentrate. Bring it up slow. Yeah, but just remember too, triceps are gonna, your triceps, remember, are gonna tire out very quick. They get swollen, tight, and you gotta make sure you stretch in between sets, or else you won't be able to get a lot of exercise. And you want to get at least good 4 exercises. I always go with 5. So. Go as high up as you can. Don't move it. So like I was saying, don't go down like that. Just stay like this. Just move that. That's it. Alright guys. These are going to be tricep pull downs. So double cross. Bring it up slow. Lock out. I mean, you're just moving your elbow and your forearm. Lock out. You don't need heavy weight, 30 to 50 pounds, because you want to be able to get that full lockout. You want to lock fully out. Fully out. Getting there. Lock it out. Get striated. Guys, we do old school kickbacks, but instead of using the dumbbell, I use the dumbbell and the cable. Cable going. Nice and slow. Pop and lock that out. 20, 30 pounds, that's all you need because you want to be able to get all the way up there. As I go in, I turn it, and then as I come out, I turn it and lock it up. It activates both of the heads on the tricep. Other side now. Keep that grip close. I do them all the way down low and up. There's different versions like this to your skull. So I do different stages. I do those. I do these all the way back. That's it.